Hello guys, welcome to my channel where I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about statistics, more specifically elementary statistics. We're not going to be diving into anything very deep. We're going to be covering, the basics of elementary statistics. So today we're going to be learning about mean, median, mode, and range. These are very, very basic concepts that you must understand to be able to be successful in statistics. So what is mean? Mean is, in the simplest way possible that I can explain this, is the average of your data set, right? Data set, by the way, is just numbers, okay? It's a set of numbers that you have. Data is pretty much numbers. There are different types of data. I'll be making a separate video for quantitative versus qualitative data, but in simple terms, quantitative data, quant, is anything numbers. You could say someone's height is qualitative data. The color of car would be qualitative data. Qualitative data is really anything that's describing an attribute. So with all of that being said, only quantitative data, pretty much, technically for the most part, can have a mean, median, mode, and range. So with all of that being said, the mean is the average of the sum of all of our numbers in our data set, right? So let's actually dive into the formula now. The formula for finding the mean of a data set, which is right here, is going to be the sum of all values divided by the total number of values. So that's going to be 3 plus 12 plus 15 plus 7 plus 5, that is 42. It's going to be 42. And then total number of values is very simple. You just count how many values, how many numbers you have in your data set. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See how simple that is? So now our new formula is going to look something like this. Okay, so our first symbol is going to be x bar, which is equal to mean, average, right? X bar is just the letter x and a line on top of it. That's your mean. Our next symbol is going to be a lowercase n. That is our sample size. In other words, how many values we have in our data set. Remember earlier we had 5 in our data set. So this symbol right here is basically the Greek letter for sigma. And sigma, all it means is the sum of numbers in your data set, which we did earlier. All you do is just add them up. So now let's actually draw this formula out, and I'll actually do this with you guys. So it's going to be x bar, which is mean, is equal to sigma x, and that's it. X bar, which is mean, is equal to sigma x divided by n. So we know that x is our data, so you add up all of our data, and you divide that by our sample size. That is mean. If this video helped you guys in any way, I would really appreciate it if you left a thumbs up or share this video with your friends or classmates. In our next video, we will be covering the topic of median, and we'll dive into that some more and some other terms along the way. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.